My name is Matt Gisondi. I'm the District Geotechnical Materials Engineer. I've been with the department for 8 years. So as the District Geotechnical Engineer, I'm responsible for the earthwork, aggregate, and geotechnical engineering section. The aggregate section, they're responsible for inspecting the mines and quarries within our district that produce material that deliver it to construction sites. Our earthwork section, they're the ones that go to the project site and they test the material as it's being placed and making sure it's in accordance with our specifications. And they also check on the inspectors to make sure they're testing the material in accordance with their certifications. The engineering section, they're the ones that work with our in-house design and consultant managers to review the geotechnical engineering designs and make sure that everything is done correctly in accordance with our design guidelines. And they also support construction to make sure that the design assumptions that were made were properly implemented in construction. Some of the challenges that we face are our location. You know, we have a very diverse population with our cities. You know, we cover from Key West to Vero Beach. And so projects in Miami are very different from those that are up in Indian River County. So one design or that works in Miami, may not be adequate for a project up there. We have shallow rock in certain areas, and we have deep muck or unsuitable soils that we either can't treat or need to do something different to make a project successful. So there are a lot of things that are interesting about what we do. I think one of the most interesting things is that majority of what we do is we can't see. As a geotechnical engineer, we deal with things that are underground. If we've done our job correctly, you'll never know we were there. We have to use technology to better understand what's happening in the ground. And one way we do that is we do an investigation. We take soil borings, and which may surprise you, have a smaller diameter than a common water bottle. And with those borings, we obtain a sample. And from that, we perform lab tests and analysis to actually provide a recommendation for a given project. The thing I like most about my job is I feel like I'm one of the fortunate people that can say I truly love my job. And I feel that the first part that I would say that I love most is that the impact it has on society. We are fortunate that we build roads and bridges for our community. Tens of millions of people use our roads every day, and I take great pride in that. The second thing is the variety of what I do. No two jobs are the same. There are many factors that go into the differences of each job, and it's challenging and exciting every day. And lastly, the people. I work with great people here at the department and at the district, as well as here in the materials office across each of the sections. I love that what we do at the department is building roads and bridges for the people of our community. Millions of people get to use it, and I take pride in the fact that we create a safe and easy way for people to get from one place to another, and it's going to have a lasting effect for generations to come. Without geotechnical engineering, there's a saying that says, it either floats, flies, or falls down. I don't know if that's a good joke or not, but you can take that out if you don't like it.